Today's video is mag-unboxing na naman tayo. And sabi na nga ko, it's surprise. Ano yun naman ito? Hindi ko ta alam. So we'll see. Open natin. Ooh. Ooh, box. And the box. Wait, parang ang ganda naman ito. Ay, aba, ang bigat siya. Wala na. Wala na. So, box and the box. What is this? What? Wala! Another tripod. Puno na ako ng tripod. Grabe ito, ha? Oh, this is what I need. Teka lang. No! Ang bigat siya. I love it. No! Grabe, iniisip talaga ako ng asawa ko, guys. He knows that I love to take videos in my cooking. Ayan, siya, ang so shy. Styro to styro. Uy, ang ganda niya. Parang ano siya. It's a this, ano ba ito? Lo, ang ganda. Ay, nahulog siya. Lo, ang ganda. Yung kanyang ano, I love it. Ay, ang bigat. Heavy juice. Paano ba to? Uy, hello. Hello. Wow, I love it. So, paano to? So, ayan. Paano ba ito? Ano ba? Hello. Ano yan? Hello. Hindi ko alam Hello. Paano ba? Ito yung, pwede ka dito charge. Tripod to Tripod to. He said, wala, ano ba ito ang sabi? Ay, press. Ito siya. Wala. Uy, ito siya, oh. Ay. Full lights. Ay. Ano ba ito? Paano mag-open? Hala. Paano ba ito mag-open? Ay. Mali. Hala. Parang hindi ako marunong. Hala, ano ba? Ay. Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda niya. Paano ba? Hala. Parang hindi naman ako nito marunong. Ay, ang ganda. Tapos ito, ano ito? Ay, grabe. May mga accessories siya sa loob. Ang ganda na pagka-tripod na ito. Wow. And then ito, may remote. Ito yung remote niya. Ito yung remote niya. Tapos ito, I think, uy, lalagyan ng phone. Ay, ganun pala ito. Ito din, another. Lalagyan din ng phone. Paano? Or, ano ba? Okay, I'm gonna read the manual before. Paano ba ito? Ganyan. Ay, paano ba? Ay, hindi ko alam. Si ito oh. Yan, oh. Tapos, may ano yun Oy, sorry. Ay, ano ba yan? So, eto. Ayun. Uy, ayan. May ganun. Hindi ko alam. May ganun siya. Honey, I don't know how to do this.
Can you help? What are you doing?
Because this, this is supposed to be, we're gonna stand up.
What's this for?
This is the tripod. This is a desk tripod. Look at that. Because this, I like this light.
Yeah.
Look at the ano anak. But it's gonna stand up, supposed to be. Woo!
You have to pull it.
Ay, okay.
So like to release, you pull it, and then you have to, it's a bit strong, but
Yeah.
that's good.
Ooh, I like it right now.
And then you have a little thing.
This is the remote.
Yeah, a little more.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such a baby.
I know. And then you could put the...
Tiny.
You could charge over here. There's the ano. And then this one. This is the extra. What is this? We're gonna put this.
This this does it fit here?
Yeah, that came there. With this too. Or I guess we're gonna replace
Yeah.
that one. And then this one. What is this?
It's oh, it's to I think it's to put on the stick. Let's see. Like, does it not go out anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Let me see.
So what is this? Look, oh. Oh, you could turn like this. And then you're gonna put your phone here.
This can go higher. I just don't know how to do it because like the neck. Like I'm scared to break it. I don't
Yeah.
wanna break it.
You think you're gonna go
it
higher?
It can. It shows it can. Yeah. Let's see.
Hmm.
So for like the clamp, it's like for this one, so you like straighten up a bit and then you slide it in.
Oh.
Yeah.
So if you were gonna put the...
Yeah, but like you know, it has the ability to be taller. I just.
Yeah, I know. How? So.
Is there any buttons?
No, there's no bottom. Ooh!
There you go.
Yay! I love it. See, diba? It's good. I like it. See?
And then.
So if I'm gonna do live, I'm gonna do like this, and I'm gonna do. How about in the kitchen? So I'm gonna put this on the table. I'm gonna do a prep because sometimes it's hard in the.
See. And then yeah, for like the phones, rotate, I guess.
Yeah, the same like this too.
Yeah.
You could do like that. You go like this.
Oh, there's even a YouTube video if you're.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Thank you, Sarshar. So, yay! I love it. Ganda siya.
Where's the thumbs?
Diba? So, ito yung ating tripod. Desk tripod. Ay, ang cute. Pag nag-tiktok ako, diba? I have a light. Ay, ang ganda. Then, we could change the light too into a white and I think there's a color. Lower, bright. I don't know how I can change the light. Yeah, you see, we could use the remote. So the remote is that. Oh, it's only white. And this is I don't know what is this. Oh, there's a red light. I like that one. Diba? And then go bright, bright, bright. Lower, 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 lower. Ang ganda. Huh? Tapos, then change the color into white. Ala, ang ganda. Ayan guys, meron na tayong desk tripod. Now I know. Hello, I'm so excited to use this to my cooking video, diba? Ay, thank you. Gano'n natin. O, diba? Ang ganda. Watching, guys. Ganda ng tripod. Ah!